Hi guys, in today's video I want to take you guys on a journey about how I was able to clear my face. Like, I woke up one morning only to see that my face has turned from what it used to be into this. Just look at my face is looking so unscrumptious. So my face is looking like what I don't even know. Like, I didn't even bargain for this. I don't even know the problem, if it could be as a result of stress or hormonal changes. I don't know. I can't really tell. I have some products in the house that I've used in the time past and they work. So I decided to like combine all of them. That's the decision I've made. I'm going 2 weeks. I want to know what this product will be able to do to my face, because this kind of face can be very embarrassing. Like, it's a very embarrassing something. How can somebody have this kind of face? Oh god, it's not only the pimples that are even bothering me, it's the spots that they are leaving behind. So I started to use some of the products I've been using in the time past. I have this acne.org regime. This is the cleanser. Is also, this product is clinically proven and does not over dry, cleanses completely, rinses clean, fragrance free and dye free. So this is what I'm going to use as my face soap. Like, I'm not using any other product for my face except this. So this is what I'll use to wash my face in the morning, afternoon, night, whenever I want to shower. This is what I'm using, and it's also made in USA. So this is the gel. Like, it contains 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, and absorbs completely, fragrance free and dye free. So this is what I'll be using it as my face cream. Yes, this is it. Then another one I'm going to use is this Neutrogena blackhead eliminating facial scrub. I'm also going to combine it. This is made in France. For blackhead prone skin. Eliminate and prevent blackheads for a refined complexion. So I'm going to add this scrub to my to the acne treatment journey. Then I have this benzoyl peroxide. Like, this one is 10%. I'm also going to use it. This works so well. I'm also going to use it. It's unbeatable treatment for spots and acne. I'm also going to add it, but I'm not going to be using it every day because of dryness. I don't want my face to dry. So I'll be using it like once, then I skip a day and use it. It also works. So guys, I'm combining this whole product. So I'm going to show us the procedures, the process, how I use this product, the results I've been able to achieve too over the few days I'm going to use them. So if you really want to know and see the results so far, please just come with me. Let me take you on this journey. Let's ride on this journey together.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up.
During this journey, I apply the scrub on my face and allow it to stay for about 10 minutes. Then after that, I wash off with water.
Up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer.
This is acne.com.
No exposure, I just wanna be a loner.
After the application,
Some
allow
can't
to
stay
stay
sober,
for
looking
about
over
5 to
all their
6 minutes.
shoulders, like
Then
moving
wash
boulders
off
just to
with
get out of the
warm
home.
or
It
cold
sucks,
water.
I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
This is 10% benzoyl peroxide. This is 10% benzoyl peroxide applied and allowed to stay for a while, after which I allowed the face to marinate. Then I used the Acne.org gel to top it up. Then just watch out and let's see the final result to know if the journey was actually worth it or not. Voila! So after 2 weeks, I was able to achieve a maximum result, and I was really grateful that I tried this process. So it's really worth it, and I'm so happy. So this is the outcome of the whole journey. I think it's worth it. Thank you for hanging in there. Bye.
And it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me. But let's be real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good